Good medical morning. This is Watson from World's Greatest Medical, and today we're going to learn a little about Acne Vulgaris. We're also going to give you a peek behind the scenes on this channel, so please stay tuned. Acne vulgaris is a common chronic skin disease involving blockage and/or inflammation of hair follicles. Acne can present as non-inflammatory lesions, inflammatory lesions, or a mixture of both, affecting mostly the face, but also the back and chest. Let's take a look at some examples of acne. While you watch, I want to point out the importance of supporting medical channels like ours. Adam and I have several channels, and we total about 2 million views a day. Unfortunately, we aren't supported by YouTube ad revenue. That's likely due to the nature of our content. Where some people would make about $1,000 off 1 million views, last month one of our channels made 10 cents off 10 million views. Admittedly, it is ironic because we get a lot of comments from people saying we make YouTube videos just for the money. That isn't the case, but if you do want to support us, obviously click subscribe and select the bell for notifications. If you're a true fan, consider picking up a pimple popper kit, Rest More, or a facial mask from m7amazon.com. Our work with Amazon actually pays our bills. I'll put a link in the description below. If you need help with sleep, Rest More is loved by a lot of people, and our pimple popper tools earn an amazing level of praise. Oh, and here's one more example of acne. Hopefully this video proved educational and a little entertaining. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.
Hi, my name is Jory, and I'm here to give a testimonial about Rest More. The thing I love most about Rest More is that it puts me into a deep sleep to where I'm not restless or tired the next day. I take 2 Rest Mores a night. It helps me relax, mellow before bed instead of laying in bed and all my thoughts are everywhere and I can't go to sleep. Rest More has really helped me since then, because without Rest More, I would always be laying in bed, not relaxed, my mind going every which way. But as soon as I started taking Rest More, it relaxed my mind and my body. If you're looking for a better sleep, I recommend Rest More.
Hey folks, to get rid of blackheads and blemishes the right way, get a Comedone extractor kit. This one here is the best we could find. It has a high quality to price ratio. It's got solid steel instruments, a compact case for traveling, and a good variety of tools for all your needs, including a lancet for whiteheads. Using an extractor like this is the easiest and safest method, as it reduces the chances of scarring and secondary infection. Use the Amazon link below to get a kit of your very own.